Hi everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. In this real quick tutorial, I want to show you how to make sure that Act Connect link is running on your computer. And if it's not running, you might have issues with different services related to APIs and products related to APIs. So to determine that, I'm going to come down here into the search bar and I'm going to type in services.msc. And as I type this in, you'll notice that up top it says Services app. I'm going to click on that. When this opens up, I want to draw your attention down the list right here to Act Connect link. I want you to observe that it says running, and that tells me everything is working as designed. If for some reason it wasn't running, on the left-hand side you could click on Restart to get it running, or Start if it's not running. So just a variation on a theme, but that's how you make sure Act Connect link is running. Very simple. Thank you very much.